guys, welcome back. And from today onwards, you're starting a new series that is the Q3 FY26 earnings season, right? As of now, until now, the results has not started to come. It will start from Jan 15th. But you know the drill by now. I think, 10 days before the result, the updates of all the companies, they start to come. Okay. Updates may, I think, abhi tak autos and auto ancillary companies, financials have started, value fashion retail has started from yesterday. And I think from next week, probably even jewelry companies also will start. So very interesting to see, right, how this entire Q3 FY26 will go. Okay. इस वीडियो में I would want to talk about something very niche, very specific. Okay. Now, if you look at all my videos, I talk about two things. One thing and the first thing main, right? Like, and you guys also make fun of me for using this. You need to understand the business model, because if you don't understand the model, if you don't understand how the business makes money, you will not understand jack shit about that business. Okay. And the second thing is track. मैं इसमें इतना emphasis क्यों करती हूँ is because you will see, in real time, like, in the last 2 quarters, क्या हुआ है, okay? You would have all heard about this company called as Sai Silk Kalamandir, right? And there has been a lot of hype about this on Twitter, on YouTube, I would say, for the last two quarters. And rightfully so, because ये जो company है Sai Silk Kalamandir, which used to grow somewhere between 10 to 15%, all of a sudden in Q1 they started growing by 40%. Q2 में I think the growth rate was around at 27%, ठीक है? So all of a sudden के लिए ये जो 10-15 से grow कर रहा था एक गाड़ी, एक engine, it has become from there to like a 30-40% kind of growth engine. So what is happening, right? Is this, so a lot of people thought like, this is the next big thing, this is the next V2 retail, this is the next, Vedanta fashions that all this narrative started to build up. Okay. But if you tracked the model, if you understood the business model, you wouldn't have done that very silly mistake over here of, trusting this company. Okay, let's come to the first thing, understanding the business model. Okay, if you understand the business model, first आपका क्या है, you will go see like भाई ये क्या बनाते हैं Sai Silk Kalamandir, what do they exactly do? These people are a sari company. Okay, these people are a sari retail company, and उसका अगर आप business model देखते हो 60 to 70% of आपका जो top line है, it comes from saris. Now इस saris में उनको 4 sub brand है, Kalamandir, Varma Lakshmi, Mandir and KLM, which sells आपका saris, in different price point, ranging from 20k to even it can go up to 3.5 lakhs. And these people are very predominant, उनका सारा का सारा sale आता है South of India में. They are in Hyderabad and in Karnataka region. And you would see in the last 2 years, they've started penetrating into the Tamil Nadu region. Okay, in fact, after coming for IPO, उनका main focus has been, to penetrate and be aggressive with respect to Tamil Nadu. Okay. Now अगर आपको बिजनेस मॉडल समझ में आता है, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड कि लाइक आप ही बोलो आजकल का दुनिया में साड़ी कौन पहनता है, वी हैव गॉन फ्रॉम वेयरिंग साड़ी एज ए एवरीडे, as an everyday wear to like something that you wear, in occasions. And especially अगर आप Sai Silk Kalamandir का साड़ी देखते हो, इनका साड़ी क्या है? Imagine the साड़ी का cost rate. They are selling आपका pure silk sarees, which ranges from 20 to 3.5 lakhs. Okay, 20k to 3.5 lakhs. So when you wear these kind of sarees, you wear these kind of sarees when there is occasions, right? Either due to festivities or किसी का शादी या some sort of पूजा या ceremony होता है. That is when you wear. Okay. So once you understood the business model, it would be easy for you to decipher कि like ये जो Q2 में ये जो इतना बड़ा growth दिखा आपको, right? Because a lot of people thought क्या ये जो Q1 and Q2 में, because Q1 okay ठीक है 40% grow किया, Q2 also it grew by 27 to 30%. So people को क्या लगा, शायद the things are turning for the business, right? Whatever they have done in the past, let it be. Things have probably started to turn for the business. Maybe that is why this high pace of growth is sustained. But that has not been the case. Why? Because अगर आप देखते हो, like I told you, connected back to the business model, there is something called a seasonality aspect, right? इनका सारी क्या है? It is a premium wear. You wear something for weddings and everything. Q2 में क्या हुआ था? आप as you very well remember, इस साल in Q2 we had a lot of festivities. Last year में Q3 में था, because आपका दशहरा बोलो, आपका Durga Puja is not valid over here, because Durga Puja is something predominantly celebrated in West Bengal, right? But all your other festivities that are there, Dasara and everything, it came in the early week of October, unlike last year, which was somewhere in mid-November or so, right? So October में अगर आपका हो रहा है तो आपका shopping होता है September में, which is in Q2. Okay, so that is what had happened. Q2 में again last time इनका क्या हुआ था, बहुत सारे problems था. Okay, so first of all, this was not something sustainable. Now you could have argued कि अरे Q1 में भी इसने तो 40% क्यों किया? Again, go back and see last Q1 में क्या हुआ था. We had terrible summers, right? हॉरिबल समर्स दैट वी हैड. यू टेल मी, अगर आप 20,000 का कुछ शॉपिंग करते हो बाय साड़ी का, या 3.5 लाख की एक साड़ी है, यू विल बाय दैट साड़ी ऑनलाइन. क्या आप खरीदोगे क्या? नहीं, राइट? यू वुड वांट, सिंस इट इज अ हाई टिकट आइटम, you would want to go and have that touch and feel. And think about it, आपका एक wedding का साड़ी है, would you buy a wedding साड़ी somewhere online? No, you would want to go to the shop, and you would probably go to like 10 different shops, think 10 times before buying a 3.5 lakh का साड़ी, right? So obviously क्या हुआ था last Q1 में, पहला चीज था, we had this horrible summers. So horrible summer की वजह से क्या हुआ, the walk-ins into the store got affected, right? And this is a predominantly walk-in kind of shopping that you do. So last Q1 में उनका sales जो था was down by 12%. So because of the low base effect and not having any walk-ins, इस Q1 में क्या हुआ, वो 40% का वो base effect के वजह से आपको वो 40% का growth दिखा. Q2 में what you confused as to be a sustainable pace of growth again was nothing but again predominantly low base effect, a combination of both low base effect plus preponement of festivities जो हुआ था. Okay, maybe until now also you didn't want to trust this phenomena and you want to give them a bit of a benefit of doubt, like maybe not so. Okay, then what you had to go read the con call, because a lot of people thought this 40 and 30% kar raha hai, it is something sustainable. But when you go and read the con call, you will also see the management for the last 2 quarters have not increased the guidance, right? Bold right like we'll grow in H2 by 10%, right? Pura saal probably maybe 15% kind of growth, no increase in store expansion, no increase in terms of आपका SSG and everything, ठीक है? So that was a final nail in coffin after you read that Q2 का thing कि like भाई यहाँ पे कुछ change हो नहीं रहा है. This is just nothing but थोड़ा एक seasonality का phenomena, low base effect का phenomena. Because of that what had happened, ये साई सिल्क कला मंदिर जो है high pace of growth कर रहा था. But this high pace of growth was not sustainable from day one. इसका बम्बू तो कभी ना कभी फोड़ने वाला ही था, ठीक है? And that happened rightfully so in Q3. Okay, आप देख लो Q3 में sales degrew by 10%. Why? No longer that low base effect is playing out. Another thing, this is why, see, if you understood the business model, आपको ये seasonality का समझ में आता है, and you bother to read the con call, you wouldn't have gone and invested your money over here in Sai Silk Kala Mandir. The second mistake मैंने क्या बोला, track the model. Okay, track the model both ways. Track the current quarter and see what they will be doing in the future, and after that every current quarter you see, you have to keep tracking and see what they have done in the past. I have been tracking this company since the time it's come for IPO. Okay, and these people came in IPO in the 23, the year that is said 23-24 आपका साल जो है, I think in probably Q2 से थोड़ा पहले आया था इसका IPO, somewhere between that Q1 and Q2 का आपका जो टाइम रहता है ना, after the Q1 का result and right before the Q2 का result. These people came at that time. Okay, over here this was in November 23, somewhere in that time after the Q2. I still remember they had the target was to take the top line to 2000 crore and to reach a PAT of 200 crore, and they had 54 stores at that time. They wanted to add 30 stores from 54, add another 30, take it up to 84 stores. Out of that, in this 30 stores, unka plan tha 25 unko Varma Lakshmi and 5 Kala Mandir unko add karna tha. These were the 3 main targets that were there. Okay, November 23. Where are we right now? In Jan 26. Okay. It's all, and their target was to do all this in a span of 18 months with the IPO ka money that they had raised. Okay, it's been what? It's been 24 months. They have not done anything that they have promised. If there is an award that goes to a management where you can promise and constantly under deliver, it would go to Sai Silk Kala Mandir. It is Jan 26. We are not seeing that top line. It's not. In the last year, in the last fiscal, it has not reached anywhere. To that 2000 crore. PAT has not inched up to that 200 crore mark that is there. And most importantly, the store count that is there. As of now, as of Q3, you will see they've added 5 stores in this quarter, and you will see that इनका क्या है, 79 stores. कितना roughly होना था? 84 stores. So do you see, पहला जो guidance दिया था वही नहीं किया. So again, if you had tracked the model, you would know आपको और भी, it would be that second nail in the coffin. First nail in the coffin was कि like Q2 का con call में कुछ positive नहीं था. Again, if you had tracked the model in the past, this would be the final nail another in the coffin कि like आपने जो भी बोला था, you have not really done anything, with respect to that, right? So वही है. So all the promises, they have not kept. The third, I will tell you यहाँ पे क्या हुआ था. Why did people rush? This bias that I'll talk about. Why did people rush to buy this Sai Silk Kala Mandir? Like you knew, I mean, ठीक है. फाइन, लेट्स अज्यूम कि लाइक यू डिडंट नो एनी बेटर कि लाइक बिजनेस मॉडल आपको समझ में नहीं आया, आपको ट्रैकिंग का यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड इट, स्टिल आपने ये क्यों खरीदा? आई विल टेल यू द आंसर इज वेरी सिंपल. एट Q2 का अगर आप रिजल्ट में देखते हो, इट वाज अ 30% ग्रोथ इंजन अवेलेबल एट प्रोबेबली 20p समवेयर इन दैट रेंज. क्या लोगों को लगा अरे भाई सस्ता टिकाऊ माल, राइट? Because what a lot of people, what I see with a lot of people is trend, they have they saw trend, they probably missed trend. But when V2 came, they were still mourning that that they missed trend कि like V2 नहीं लिया, ठीक है, वहां पे V2 higher अप एंड अप करता रहा, न्यू हाइस. ऑन द अदर हैंड यहाँ पे बाजार स्टाइल रिटेल आया, राइट? पीपल स्टार्टेड बाइंग बाजार स्टाइल रिटेल, पीपल स्टार्टेड बाइंग साइसेल कला मंदिर ओवर हियर. व्हाई? बिकॉज दे थॉट कि लाइक ये V2 रिटेल का खेल हो गया, दिस ट्रेंड का खेल हो गया, राइट? दे मिस्ड आउट ऑन दैट एंड दे ट्राइंग टू कॉम्पनसेट इट कि लाइक बाय गेटिंग ऑल दिस सस्ता टिकाऊ स्टॉक्स. बट प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड देयर इज अ रीजन दैट ये स्टॉक्स जो है सस्ता है, ये 20-30p के रेंज भी होगा. ऑन द अदर हैंड यू विल सी सम स्टॉक्स लाइक V2 रिटेल which will go up to like 80-90p. There is a reason. V2 का execution देखो in the last 2 years, by कितना stores add कर रहे हैं, कितना every time they're coming and increasing the guidance, overdoing the guidance, everything. Was a Saisal Kala Mandir कुछ करता ही नहीं है. The last 2 years you take one call and show me where they've executed on the guidance that they've given. ठीक है, हर ना time either it is the preponement of festivities, कुछ अधिक मास होता है. I still remember in probably right after they came in IPO, the Q2 that is year of 23-24, उनका जो भी plans था, they had told they will grow by double digit between 15 to 20%, came and did hardly in single digit growth. Okay, why? Because कुछ flood हो गया था चेन्नई में, some metro work is going on in Chennai, because of that उनको एक store था in Mylapore Chennai, they were not able to open it for 2-3 quarters. I mean, these are all if you have to find very unusual reasons for a business not to perform, I'll tell you Saisal Kala Mandir. So ये सस्ता खरीदने का ये जो आदत है ना, इसके वजह से, because yesterday I got a lot of DMs कि like Saisal Kala Mandir का sales degrowth हुआ, क्या करें हम, क्या करें, मैंने तो इसको सस्ते में लिया था. भाई आपको सस्ते में लेने के लिए कौन कहा था, राइट? इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस you don't buy stocks because they're सस्ता, you buy stocks because there is runway for that business to grow. But there is no runway over here for Saisal Kala Mandir. Even the market, the addressable market over here, it is very very small. And let's not even talk about the amount of competition that is there from the unorganized space also over here. So that is the thing. And you will see this, ये सस्ता खरीदने का ये जो आदत है ना, it is there in every aspect of life. A lot of people think this सस्ता खरीदने का attitude that is there, it is only in the market. The way you think in real life, the way you think in your day-to-day activities, it is the same behavior you will exhibit in the market also. Life is symmetry. It's not like आप एक behavior, you will behave differently with the janitor and you'll behave differently with the CEO. It doesn't happen that way. Everything in life is symmetry. I'll give you a very weird example. I hope you're able to get the context. It's like going to the gym. You have to run for a marathon. You have to need really good shoes, right? You could be getting that Adidas का Ultra Boost को 18K, but नहीं आप कुछ local market में 2000 के लिए लेके आओगे, ठीक है? आपका वो 2000 का shoe will not even last for 3 months. It will wear and tear. आपका you won't get that comfort, that cushioning in your sole, nothing, and you might have some fracture or anything. Okay, and आप ये 2000 खरीदते in the span of next 10 years you probably spent 40,000 ultimately in your shoes. Why? Because you didn't want to buy that Adidas का Ultra Boost. On the other hand, if the person who bought Adidas Ultra Boost, उसका पैर भी ठीक रहा, ठीक है, and that shoe probably lasted him for 20 years. Okay, because he didn't think about कि like अरे ये expensive है, ये सस्ता है. That person, whoever bought that Ultra Boost, he had the right sense of mind. Like there is a reason this is expensive, and they were able to make that decision. Similarly, in the market also, there is a reason certain stock, when certain opportunities, certain products come, there is a reason it is expensive. Make sure you assess it, okay? And there is also a reason why certain thing is cheap. यहाँ पे क्या होता है अभी? People could have invested in some high growth engine. I'm not talking about V2 retail over here because it's my holding or anything. But you could have invested in any high growth engine over here. But क्या हुआ? They look at P, they look at this, stock का price and everything, and they're not able to understand the scope, right? And as a result, they don't buy that, okay? On the other hand, that same high growth engine क्या होता है? High P पे high P, नया high पे नया high मारता जाएगा. These people, what happened? They bought this सस्ता stock, right? Ultimately क्या होगा अभी? ठीक है, आपका gains भी नहीं रहा, capital भी will start going down. ठीक है, do you see over here सस्ता खरीदने का problem अभी क्या है? Ultimately you are not able to understand the scope. That is why you go, ये सस्ता खरीदने का attitude है ना, try to get rid of it. Always ask yourself कि like why is this certain stock सस्ता? There is always a reason. There can't be कि like randomly कि like आपका कोई stock जो सस्ता है, ठीक है? So that is that. ये जो entire ये Saisal Kala Mandir का है, the hype that is there, ठीक है? Q1 and Q2 में जो इतना hype रहा है इसके बारे में, if you had the basic sense of of understanding the business model, of tracking the model, you wouldn't have done this mistake in the first place alone. Okay, because I mean, if you track the model, you would have known the management has never kept their word up. It's always been a bit shaky over here. ठीक है, so यही है. And third thing, obviously, सस्ता मत खरीदो. There is a reason why. Always be willing to pay up for something. Okay, so that is the thing with entire Saisal Kalam Mandir. Now अभी ये mistake भी मत आप लोग ये ना करो कि like what will happen. There will come a time where you have to cut the stock. Now क्या होगा? People might have made up bought certain stocks. It is probably below their buying price. Now when the time has come to cut the stock, they won't even cut the stock. Why? Because they are sitting in a loss. Now if you don't take this also, if you don't cut the stock, again it will depreciate even more of your capital, right? That is also another thing. You see how bad and a vicious cycle this is. You don't read, you don't track the model, right? And after that आप सस्ता खरीदते हो. सस्ता खरीदने के बाद आपको क्या होता है? The opportunity is it goes completely bad. And क्या होता है आपका? You सस्ता खरीदते हो and then ultimately it just eats up your capital. You become a forced long term investor. This is the entire story over here. ठीक है, so यही है Saisal Kala Mandir. There are many stocks like this. Whenever you see a pace of growth is coming up, read about it first, track the model and see the execution, how it is going. ठीक है, always give a company a benefit of a doubt and go. Like don't jump at the gun. Always track, see where it is going, and take a very conscious decision. See, Q3 FY26 is coming, right? Sharpen your axe and cut those stocks that are not doing well and invest more in good companies that are there. Okay, and if you want to learn how to do all of this, right, and if you want to understand how my portfolio has changed, and how do we do everything, and Q3 FY26 में हमने क्या changes किया, what has been the changes compared to last Q1 FY26, right, how do we choose a stock, everything आपको allocation के बारे में सब changes आपको समझना है. Make sure you get the Q3 FY26 का workshop. The link is in the description box below. Make sure you register it for that. आपका हमारा वर्कशॉप जो है इट विल बी लाइव ऑन Feb 28 एंड March 1st. 10 बजे को लाइव होगा. वी विल बी इंटरेक्टिंग विद ऑल ऑफ यू पोस्ट द वर्कशॉप. सो मेक श्योर यू गेट द वर्कशॉप and educate yourself. And anyways guys, that's that. I hope you'll have a great weekend. Also this is the first weekend of the new year, so make sure you're not drinking, not smoking, and hit the gym. Anyways, that's that. Bye.